less than 10,000, I'm giving a bonus of 0.10, else I'm not doing anything. So here, suppose this condition is not, suppose it is matching. Suppose the salary is 6,000. So that belongs to this range. It is greater than 5,000 as well as it is less than 7,500. So my output is 0.05. Now suppose the salary is 8,000. So it does not belongs to this range. 8,000 is not, greater than 5,000, but not less than 7,500. That means which will be, this condition is not meeting. This condition is not met. It will go to the false value. False value, what you are doing here? You are again checking on condition. And here you are checking if the salary is greater than 7,500. Yes, 8,000 is greater than that, and it is also less than 10,000. That means what should be your output? Output should be 0.10 or 10%. Then if this condition is not matching, suppose the salary is 12,000 now, that means this condition is also not matching. So again I will go to the false and I will check the next condition. If salary is greater than 10,000, I am giving a bonus of 0.15, else 0. Okay. Now if
Greater
user
than and
is
equal
having,
to, right?
sorry,
Salary is greater than or equal to 10,000, right?
yes, correct, correct. So then we will be, if salary is now suppose 12,000. Okay, so obviously 12,000 does not belongs to this range, right? So we have to move to the false condition, which is the false condition. Here, this one. And again here we are checking on condition. The 12,000 is not less than 10,000. It is greater than 7,500, but it is not less than that. It means true value again not taken. We'll move to the again false condition, and false what we are checking. Yes, 12,000 is greater than 10,000. That means the value is 0.15. Now suppose someone is providing 2,000 as salary. So 2,000 does not belongs to this range. I have to go to the false condition. Again, 2,000 does not belongs to this range. Right. So I have to go to the false condition. Right. Then here also salary 2,000 greater than 10,000. That is not the true case. It means what should be my output? My output should be 0. So this is a kind of nested if, a complex requirement that you have to follow. Is it clear? Hello?
This is clear, but where do we use this actually?
In the same, like suppose you have to
Form.
construct this bonus field. Like, okay, I'm displaying one thing. Actually, these fields are not relevant to the training object. Still, I'm showing no issues. Like here, I'm constructing one field. Let's take that is of currency. Here, salary. Next, visible. Next, 7 new. Here, after salary, I'm considering formula. Based on my salary, my formula will be determined. The my bonus will be determined. So I'm constructing bonus also. And bonus return type is a percent. So I'm choosing percent. And here, clicking on next. Okay, so here you have to construct the formula. Here, how to construct the formula? From the functions, you have to choose the function. If here you have to give the logical test. What is the logical test? If salary, under training we have the salary field. Let's found out salary. If salary is greater than what? Greater than 5,000. Greater than equals to 5,000. And then, just a second, institute is calling. Okay, now suppose the salary is less than 7,500. So what should be your expected value? 0.05. If it is false, what you have to do? You have to again construct the if condition. So again do it here. The logical test, what will be the logical test? Here, if it is less than 7,500 and if it is less than 10,000, then what should be your output? Output should be 0.10. If it is not, then again you have to construct the formula. His value is 0.15. If it is true, if it is false, it is only 0. And here the conditions will be if it is greater than 10,000. This way you have to construct the formula. Got it? Let's check syntax. Okay, no error is there. Marking blank field as 0. Next. Next. Save. It was the field salary. Now suppose I am adding salary here. Like 20,000. So based on my 20,000, what should be my bonus? 15%. Check bonus is 15%. If you make the salary as 2,500, what should be your bonus? 0%. Check. It is 0. If it is in between the range, suppose it is 8,000, what should be your salary? What should be your bonus? 10%. Check. Okay. This way you have to construct the formula. Got it?
Yes.
And is it a programmatic approach?
No, it is a admin approach.
Okay, okay, okay. You said only for admin, the mouse is required, no need of any keyboard things, right?
No. Keyboard means like obviously you have to write something, right? Obviously
Okay,
you are writing some object name. That means also you have to write, but no
okay, okay.
logic is required.
Acha, acha, okay.
Mostly about like point and click and drag and drop only. That's the purpose of admin.
Okay, okay.
This kind of small logics you have to write.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'm talking only about the functions. Okay, a lot of functions are there. Then one kind of function is there, that is blank. It is used to check a particular field is blank or not. It returns true if field is blank. It will return false if the field is not blank. Like here, suppose I want to check the website is blank or not. And based on that, suppose I want to show another kind of field. So what I'll check is blank website. Is blank. Here I'll pass website. Okay, and based on that, I'll be taking out something. Like let's take uh, suppose by using this is blank, I am checking if suppose salary is provided. Okay, based on my salary, I want to provide one. I want to display one salary description field. Okay, and what I will do, I will check here by using if first of all. I'll check is blank salary. If the salary field is blank, then I am giving the output salary not provided. Else I will be showing salary provided. If this condition is true, when it will be true? If the salary field is blank, user has not entered any data, then only my output will be salary not provided. Okay, otherwise it will be salary provided. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Same way we are having is null. Is null is also same thing, but there is only one difference. What is the difference? Like Is null function is only applicable to your number type field, maybe currency, maybe number, maybe percent. But is blank is applicable to your number type fields as well as text type fields. Like where you can check for website. Website is a, it's not a number, it is a text, right? So I can use my is blank on my website, but I cannot use my is null on website. I cannot use. But for salary, I can use is null because the salary is a number type field. Okay, there is the difference between is blank and is null. Then small logical conditions you have to know, like there is not function. So what this not function does, like the same condition I'm having, okay, this will just reverse the outcome. Like here I'm having, just I'm just wrapping the condition with not. What I'm doing, you'll be able to understand. Like here I'm checking if the particular salary field is blank. Okay, so what should be my output? Is blank salary should be true. But this not will make it to false. It will just reverse the statement. Suppose user is typing the salary. That means is blank salary is false. Right? But as I am using not, that false will become to true. So if it is true, that means what? Salary provided. If it is not true, then salary not provided. So not will just reverse the statement or reverse the outcome of the logic. If it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true. Got it? Now we are having some of the more logical operations. Then we will be discussing about the mathematical functions and like those things you have already covered in your 8th or ninth sessions standard. Now we are having for condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, then dot. Okay, the outcome of this or condition, okay, or this or function will become true when every condition, like in the if you are having only one condition, inside of or you can check multiple conditions. Okay, so inside of the or, suppose you are having three conditions. So if all the conditions are matching, I mean if only one condition is matching, okay, so the outcome will be true. If any, I mean any conditions are not matching, then only the outcome will be false. No conditions are matching. Let's take one example. Like I am having salary field, okay, and I'm having experience field. I'm having salary field as well as experience field. And I want if my salary greater than 25,000 and sorry, or experience is greater than 10 years, then only I'll be providing the bonus. Or suppose then only suppose provide the bonus of 10%, else zero. Okay, that is the condition suppose. So how to construct the formula? Again use if here I'm checking or, because here we have to check either our salary has to be greater than 25,000 or our experience has to be greater than 10 years. Okay, so here I'm writing if, then salary, I mean inside of or salary salary greater than 25,000, comma, experience greater than 10 years. If any condition is matching, if any condition is matching, the outcome will be true. To be my output 0.10 or else it will be 0. Now suppose user is typing salary as 30,000, but experience he is mentioning only 5 years. So what should be your bonus? Bonus should be 0.10.
0.10.
Yes, if your salary is suppose 10,000 only and your experience is 12 years, what should be the output? 0.10.
0.10.
Yes, but if your salary is let's take 12,000 as well as your experience is only 6 years, your output will be 0. That is the OR function. Similarly, we have AND function. Here both conditions has to meet. Okay. My salary has to be greater than 25,000 as well as my experience has to be greater than 10 years. Okay. Now suppose the salary is 30,000 but experience is less than 10 years. That means 5 years. So here if any conditions is not matching, output will be false. Here we are putting 30,000 as salary. So first condition is matching, right? This condition. But second condition not matching because experience is 5 years. That means my output should be 0. I mean, what is the value you are providing in the false? Then suppose you are providing salary as less than 10,000, though your experience is greater than 10 years. I mean, second condition is met. Is met. So here, what should be the output? Output should be false. So if it is false, means what? Second value, again 0. Now suppose your salary is, let's take it is 52,000, where your experience is 16 years. Here salary is greater than 25,000 as well as experience is greater than 10 years. That means both conditions are met. That means our output will be 10%. Got it? Clear or not?
Yes, yes.
Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Now we'll be moving to the mathematical functions. Like I am having, these are small functions like SQRT. That gives you a square root of a number. Like square root of 25 is 5. Okay. Then suppose we are having absolute value of a number. Like I am passing minus 5. So ABS minus 5 will return me only 5. Absolute value of a number, not no sign is there. That means that is itself a positive number if no sign is there. Then we are having ceiling. CEILING. Suppose I am writing 6.36 here. Ceiling will take the next greater integer only. What is the next integer after 6.36? 7. If you are writing floor, same value, suppose 6.36. Your output floor means like you can assume the same thing as your home ceiling. Ceiling is at your top and floor is above, I mean, below you. So ceiling means next integer and floor means before integer. What is the before integer value of 6.36? 6, right? Because 6 is the previous integer. Then we have some of the more functions like round. Like I'm having one number 96. This is the number, and I'm mentioning how many digits you want to take after decimal point. Like I want to take only 3 digits. So what should be my output? 3.965. If you want to take only 1 digit, so what should be your output? 3.9. If you want to take only 2 digit, what will be the output? 3.96. Okay, this is the digit and how many digits you want to take after decimal points that you have to mention after the comma. After round, I am having some of the more fields. Let's take that is number. Is number will check a particular value is convertible to the number or not. Likewise, is number, obviously by the function you can easily understand. It will check a particular thing is a variable is a number or not. A particular field is a number or not. But there is a twist. Like I'm having here on string, like ABC. So obviously it is not a number. So output should be false. But if I am writing 5, you can write here also. This way also you can write 5. Obviously it is true. But whenever you are using one string means one text type value, alphanumeric characters, where at the start and at the end, this quotation has to be there. Okay. So if anywhere you are seeing this quotation, that means that is a string value. Like I am writing here number 5. Okay, but it is encoded with this string. That means it is not a number anymore. It is a string value. Okay, but your is number will convert the inner value into a, it will try to convert the inner value into a number. And here